Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add Soundcloud to your Cartco editor or like whatever. So what you want to do is just be in Cartco and then just click your plus and now just click audio. Now you get like audio URL here, and what you want to do is pretty simple. You want to go like copy whatever Soundcloud you got, right? And just easily paste the URL here. Now click done. Also, you can change the appearance, change the width, and that's pretty much it. And this is how you do it. What you need then is just like publish. I need to like create an account, but this is how you pretty much do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.